Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. How are you all? I hope you are fantastic. I am doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. চলুন বন্ধুরা, আজকে আমি একটা ছোট্ট গল্প আপনাদের সামনে বলবো। গল্পটির নাম হলো A Rainy Day. Today is a rainy day and the sky is full of dark clouds. The sound of rain hitting the window is soft and relaxing. I like watching the raindrops fall and make little puddles outside. Everything looks fresh and clean after the rain. But I don't like going outside when it rains because my clothes get wet. The streets become slippery and I have to walk carefully. Staying inside with a warm drink feels much better on a rainy day. I can read a book, watch a movie, or just rest. Rainy days are sometimes boring, but they can also be peaceful. থ্যাংক ইউ, দেখা হবে পরবর্তী ভিডিওতে। সে পর্যন্ত ভালো থাকবেন এবং আমার এই পেজটি ফলো দিয়ে রাখবেন।